Hi, I want to show you how you can debug in PyCharm. Basically execute one line at a time. You can see what's in variables, those types of things. So first thing you got to do is find a breakpoint that you want to stop the run on. And so here's some code. And so what I could do is I could actually put a breakpoint over here where the numbering system is. You just click on the left-hand side, it puts a red circle there. That's now a breakpoint. So now what you can do is come up here to the upper right-hand corner and click on this little bug icon, and it's the debug. I click on it. What it's going to do, it's going to run right up to that breakpoint. Now, down here we've got some different controls. This one lets us to step over. We also have ones called step into. We have step into my code. And then we have step out. So step over says don't go, so if it's calling another definition, you don't have to basically go into that. You can say step over that, or you can say step into. Now step into will go into, let's say there is some pre-written code for Python. It'll actually go into that code. So we can step over that, or we can actually step into it. Step into my code says, let's say I'm calling some other definition, I can actually step into that. And then once I go in there, I can actually step back out. So here's what's nice. Just pay attention down here. And when I execute, I'm going to click step over. Notice that now we can see card 1 has a 10 of diamonds. The deck, it shows the deck. Up here we created a deck, and we can see the entire deck has basically got a whole lot of stuff in it. And then notice that hand has nothing in it right now, and when I step over that, boom, I now see that the hand has a 10 in it. I step over again, hand 2, card 2 is now a 9 of diamonds. And hand 2 now has a 9 in it. Okay. So we can see that value 1 has a 10, value 2 has a 9. And then we can print for the console here. We see that player 1 was dealt a 10 of diamonds. I step once more time. And now it says player 2 was dealt a 9 of diamonds. And now we keep stepping into this. Now we back up to our while loop. It's going to check to see if hand is less than max or greater than, our hand 2 is less than or equal to max. And it is, so we're going to step into it again. Now we can see the card. We go back over here to threads and variables. It's an 8 of diamonds. The next card was a 7 of diamonds. So we come back over here, and we can come over to counts, and we can see that the player 1 is dealt at 8 of diamonds, and this player 2 is dealt a 7 of diamonds. We come back over to threads and variables. We can step through this one at a time. There's a 6 of diamonds, 5 of diamonds. It's now 24 and 21 because we keep adding those together. Okay, so we keep adding those together. And we go over here and we see that player 1 was dealt a 6 of diamonds. And now when we come back up, it should drop out of, we drop out of the while loop, and it says, well, hand 1 is greater than max and hand 2 is greater than max. We're going to print there's no winner. If hand 1 is greater than 21, player 2 wins. And we can see player 2 wins. Anyway, so what's really nice about this is we can step through this code one line at a time.